So first, please watch the whole video. To log in, please make sure that you're getting Canvas Free for Teacher. If you don't see that, you're in the wrong place. Okay, and the URL is obviously listed up here. Once you log on in, there are just a few things I need to go over. So what you're going to see first, and I'm just going to go into this, and this is the same for all of the classes. The assignments might vary. So the first thing that you want to do is go up to announcements. Under announcements, I am going to do my very best to make sure that you have a something that says the date, tells you what the assignment is. You have to click on the announcement to be able to see that, and this should come up soon. There we go. And in this case, I'm just asking you to tell me that you're here. And I'm going to switch over to student view, so it's the same as what you will see. After you do that and you've double checked your announcements and you know what you need to do, chances are you're going to have to go into your assignments. And for everybody's assignments, the thing you need to make sure that you do is that you're showing by type. This will bring up March and April assignments, which is where I'm at right now. Right now, everybody should be working on 1.0. It'll be a little different from my computer class, but everybody is working on an eyes tutorial, which is I'm trying to get you to do today. We're going to have classes today on the 17th, on the 19th, which is Thursday, on Monday and Wednesday and Friday of next week. And right now, for whatever reason, the school has started blocking the thing that I need everybody to see. If you can complete it, please do. If you don't, please check back and I will work to fix that. All right. So that's that. Remember that you can always email me. You go over to your inbox, and in your inbox, it's not going to let me at this point, but it'll go in and you'll be able to email me if you need to. If you need to, you can also use Google Classroom to email me. I've been sending things through Google Classroom just to make sure that you get them. All right, so please email me if there's any issues. And there we go.